Hello friends, welcome to IP Reviews. And in today's video, what I'm going to do is, as you have already seen the title of the video, I'm going to unbox the new Honor 7X that's from the Huawei, which has been recently launched. And you must have seen some couple of videos on the YouTube itself, but on this video I'm going to show you the retail unit, how it looks. I have purchased this in the recent sale that was on 7th of December, and I have received the phone today, that is on 11th of December. So really good delivery from Amazon. So here is the box. As you can see, this is already opened because at time of delivery, but the delivery guy said is please open the box so that he can check and inspect whether the phone is there or not. So he opened this box. Along with that, the actual box in which the phone came, he also opened that to check whether the phone is there or not. So this is a good thing, because recently there has been a lot of things going on where they used to send some other phone or bricks or something like that. Let's just keep that aside. Now let me just quickly take out the box. So here is the box of Honor 7X. This is how it looks. This is in cyan color, as you can see, and as you can see, the seal is broken because the delivery guy inspected the phone whether it's in the box or not. Okay, here are some specifications. Honor full view display is written over here. Along with that, they are providing the dual camera setup at the back, 3340 milliampere battery, and some specifications are written over here. So let me just take out the phone itself from the box. Let's see what we have inside the box. So here, the first thing that we have over here is the phone itself. This is how they ship it. So now what we are going to do is we are going to check what are the things that we get inside the box. So inside the box, what we have over here is, this is a SIM ejector tool. This is a kind of weird placement, I guess, and there are some stickers, and let's just keep this aside. Quick start guide, Huawei warranty card, and nice thing is that they have also given, let me check, what is this? So they have also provided one silicone case, that's transparent one, or a gel case, whatever you want to call it. They have provided it with the phone. So this is a really nice thing, because you need protection, some protection for the phone itself. And here is the charger. This is, I guess this is the charging cable, and this is micro USB to USB. And the charger, the rating of the charger is 5 volt 2 ampere. So we have to see. This looks like a simple charger. So friends, here is the phone Honor 7 X from the company Huawei, and as you can see the screen is really big. And let me just quickly give you a physical overview of the phone, and then we will talk about the phone and we will check the phone by powering it on. On the front we have a 8 megapixel shooter. Along with that we have the earpiece and nothing on the bottom, just the honor branding. And along with that the screen, the fully expanded screen, which is around 5.93 inches, and that's the screen to body ratio is 77%, and the resolution is HD, full HD plus. On the back we have the dual camera setup. One is 16 megapixel, the second one is the 2 megapixel along with the LED flash, and on bottom over we have a fingerprint sensor and the honor branding, you can see. On the right over here we have the volume rocker. Along with that we have the power button, and nothing else is there. And on the left we have the SIM slot. Over here on the upper side we have a SIM slot, and this is a hybrid SIM. The SIM 2 works as a SIM slot as well as memory card slot. On the bottom we have a headphone jack. Along with that the micro USB charging point and the downward firing speaker. Let's just power this beast up. So this is powering up, and as you can see, honor branding. Along with that, powered by Android, and the animation is something like this, as you can see. Let me just quickly set up the phone. Look at the gorgeous screen, man. This thing looks really good. The quality of the screen is really good. Look, just look. The camera is not picking the quality, but through my eyes I can see this screen looks really gorgeous, and the display size is really large, so this is also a good thing. As you can see, the wallpaper keeps on changing whenever you unlock your device using the power button when you are trying. See, so this is really nice thing, and as you can see the screen is looking really nice and gorgeous, and that 5.9 inches of screen is looking really nice, man. Can say that. So let's just check out the onboard storage. So as you can see, this is having a Kirin 659 CPU. The RAM is 4 GB and the phone storage is 32 GB, out of which only 19.81 GB is free right now. So friends, we are getting the nougat over here, as you can see. Though I think we will get Oreo update pretty soon, because on my OnePlus 5 I have installed the Oreo version, but that's the beta version, so it's in testing phase. So as you can see, we are getting the nougat. So what we are going to do is, let's just check out the camera quality. How the camera quality is, as I'm already using OnePlus 5. So though the camera is not the setup is around 16 megapixel and 2 megapixel, but still let's just check out the camera quality of this phone. Let me just click some pictures and then only I will be able to tell how is the camera quality. Let's just try the depth mode. So here is the depth mode. Let's see how the pictures really comes out to be. So one good thing that I saw while taking the picture from the front camera, the selfie. So what I saw is you can save either of the two photographs, whether you want the mirror on or you want it to be off. So you can select any one and you can click OK. So what it will do is it will save the same picture, and this is how the quality of the front camera is. This is the 8 megapixel shooter, so the quality is decent enough. Right now I'm in artificial light, so during sunlight it will look really good. And this is the picture that I have taken. Here's one more, and here's one. Though I don't see that bokeh kind of effect that comes in OnePlus 5. Let me just show you, and let me just click one more picture with this one and one with OnePlus 5. There is my OnePlus 5. Let me just grab that. So let me just quickly bring the two photographs. So as you can see, this is the OnePlus 5 image. Let me just keep this here. This is the OnePlus 5's image, and the detailing is really nice, and as you can see all the bokeh effect over here. But this thing is not, I'm not able to see this in the Honor 7X. So I think I will have to test more of the camera to see the difference. And there's a lot of setting in the camera, so this is really good. Right now it's at 8 megapixel resolution, and so whenever you are going to go into portrait mode, what it will do, it will bring the megapixels down. So you can easily judge right now how the camera quality really is. This is the OnePlus 5 and this one is the Honor 7X. Let's just listen how loud this thing really is. So let me just play. Then I'm going to compare it to the OnePlus 5's sound, because that one is really loud. OnePlus 5. The speaker is over here. Now let's just here to OnePlus 5. So fingerprint is really working good and nice and quite accurate. So friends, this was the video of the unboxing of the new Honor 7X that has been launched by Huawei. And if you want to purchase this phone, the second sale is going to start on the 14th of December, 3 days from now. So you can check out the link below from where you can buy this phone on Amazon. And this one is the 32GB variant, as I already told you, and this one cost around 14,000, but there was some promotion going on, so I have got this one for 13,000. 1,000 was something, you know, promotion was going on, so I got this for around 13,000. And there's one more 64GB variant also, and which you can, you know, buy for by paying more. I guess the difference is around 2,000 or 3,000. So you can check that 64GB variant also. Though this thing has, you know, memory card. You can insert a memory card and expand the storage. Now, what I'm going to tell you is whether you should buy the phone or not. So if you want to, if you are looking for a mid-range phone that's going to cost around 10 to 13,000 or maximum 15 to 16,000 of range, then this is a really nice, you know, phone. Though I'm using the OnePlus 5, so comparing to that, this is, you know, nothing closer to OnePlus 5 or OnePlus 5T, but still, you know, for someone who wants a mid-range phone, this is a really good phone. As you can see, this is all made of aluminium, so this is a really good thing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to know anything regarding this phone, please do comment below. I am going to answer all your questions, whatever you want to ask, whether about this phone, and I'm going to test this phone thoroughly. Then only I can comment how good this phone is. And though the screen is really nice and the size is 5.93 inches, so you're getting a really big screen, and these days this is in trend. So keep tuning to IP reviews. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button. So take care.